can see at the bottom of the plate, they're not really sticking and they'll sit in solution.
I chose my major mainly through previous knowledge of what it was, but I also fell more in love with it as I was here because of the intricate problems that you get faced with in the field. It's rapidly evolving and there's always something new that you have to learn about it. The faculty pushing us to do stuff like research and getting involved in clubs has made me more prepared to get out of my comfort zone. I got involved at the VDC, the Vaccine Development Center, my sophomore year. I was interested in research and I just wanted to see what was happening in the vaccine field. I know that the COVID-19 vaccination thing was a whole ordeal and I wanted to get more involved with the production pipeline. I think being involved with sports has helped me identify where I fall short and where I should lean on my teammates more to actually pursue the goal that we need and get the job done. Without a team, you can't go very far, and it took me a long time to realize that I can't do it all by myself. I'd always been interested in alpine ski, but I'd just never really put my foot in the door and said, yeah, let's do it. But I decided I just needed to go for it, and it was the best decision ever. I think the reason I wanted to come to WVU is the people and how friendly and interactive they are and how much they want to be involved in your life and making sure that you have the best life that you can.